I think this is a wake-up call that YouTube needs a competitor, because just today I have seen that YouTube have updated its partner program and the watch time needed has been increased from 4,000 to 8,000 hours just now. I saw the video of Penguin Zero and they were talking about the big YouTube channel Kurzgesagt that they have been shadowbanned. Now I think it's a high time that we need an international competitor for YouTube. This video is my request to all the developers and expert people in the field. Let's make a new website or an app where only real human information will be circulated, and we will keep a strict eye on all the AI slop. I don't know how big the video will get, but I hope that YouTube will at least get what it is doing wrong. If the app is made and get big in the future, I promise I will never sell it to any company, no matter what. It will be free to all. Thank you.